Hello, folks, and welcome to North Texas Hunting and Outdoor Adventures. Today, I'm going to talk about whitetail deer facts. In all of nature, there may not be another creature as majestic, swift, and as graceful as a whitetail deer. Whitetail deer are the most common large North American land mammals and one of the most popular animals to hunt in the world. With their muscular bodies, timid personality, acute hearing, and their keen sense of smell, whitetail are remarkable creatures. Whitetail deer vary in color, from reddish-brown in the summer to a grayish-brown during the winter months. Whitetail have patches of white fur around their eyes, muzzle, and throat, as well as under their underbelly and under their tails. When a whitetail is startled, it will raise its tail to expose the white underneath. This signal serves as a warning for other deer, and this instinct gives a whitetail deer its name. Whitetail deer are the smallest members of the North American deer family. Male whitetail, or bucks, range from 100 to 300 pounds, while females, or does, range from 70 to 200 pounds. The largest whitetail occur in temperate regions of the United States and Canada. Bucks carry a prominent set of antlers in the summer and fall, which are grown annually and are shed in the winter months. A set of antlers are made up of a number of different points called tines. The length and number of tines is determined by nutrients, genetics, and age. While the antlers are growing back in the spring, they are covered in a fine tissue called velvet. The velvet supplies blood to the antlers, allowing for development. After the antlers are fully grown, the deer will rub against trees to remove the velvet layer. A spiked buck is a male deer lacking a branching set of antlers, instead spiked. Bucks have a pair of vertical spikes in place of antlers, usually no bigger than 3 inches. Button bucks are male deer with very small stubs at the base of where a young deer's antlers would soon grow, but have not broken the skin yet. Sometimes these antlerless bucks are mistaken for does, but it is important to learn to identify the difference in body structure between these two sexes. Whitetail deer tend to be most active during dawn and at dusk. They have relative small home ranges, usually a square mile or less. Whitetails gather into same-sex groups or herds to graze throughout the summer. Bucks will use this time to prepare for mating, also known as rut, which begins the early September. During this time, bucks will fight each other to claim the rights to mate with does in the area. Does are pregnant during the winter months and give birth to their young deer, called fawns, in the early spring. The fawns are covered with white spots that disappear after about 2 to 3 months. Does are very protective of their newborn fawns for short intervals to graze and food. When the mother is absent, the fawn will lay motionless on the forest floor, camouflage from predators. Fawns are typically weaned at 6 months, but usually stay with the mother until she has another fawn. A whitetail reaches sexual maturity around a year old. but will not be mated until about 18 months of age. In general, during her first year of breeding, a female whitetail will give birth to just one fawn. She will then have twin fawns for each remaining mating season. Well, there you have it, folks. Whitetail deer facts. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe today. There's my personal icon on the top right. Click on that and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you guys on the next video. All right?